Good afternoon, choppers. Hope everyone is well. Happy Monday. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. Right, can we mark the register today? It's a Monday. Let's mark the register. Where are you watching me from today? Let's mark the register quickly. Let's see who's on the stream. Just type there on the comment section. I know your name will appear. Just say present. Right, we've got Rory in the house already. 24, Mr. Koo. Happy afternoon, choppers. Rory has already been on a position bullish on silver. Right, choppers, just let me know on the comment section there. Just say present. Then I can see that you are here today. You are here. Naftali, all the way from Katlehong. Good to see you. Right, it's hot today. It's like 36 degrees Celsius today. Very hot in Pretoria today. So today I was interfering with my bull here at the back. Don't be surprised if it falls off. Don't say I didn't tell you. The month of October. This happened on Friday as we had NFP. Only 12,000 jobs, man. This is the lowest we've had in so many years. I think since 2020, right? That was the lowest we've had ever since. So this is what we had on NFP on Friday. 12,000 jobs. This forecast here is not really accurate. The expected jobs that were supposed to be added were supposed to be 113,000 jobs, not 106. It's 113. I don't know why they have it here as 106. It should be 113, right? And only managed to reach 12%. I mean 12,000, which is, you know, if you are an economist and you had this prediction, man, this is obviously going to be one of those days where you say you missed by a serious margin, right? Anticipation was 113 jobs and we only reached 12,000 jobs. That's why we saw NFP negative, or we saw the dollar rather negative during the news release. This is what happened on Friday. For those who didn't join us on Friday live stream during NFP. So this move here is what we had on Friday. That's why NFP was positive. Around 45 pips moves to the upside. I actually wanted to see if I can take a position around $1.08, and I couldn't get a position there. This thing just decided to go all the way down, but we gapped to the upside today. I was just discussing this with my team in the morning, the 7 a.m. club, that look, where can we find this thing buying? And I was advising, or rather telling them that I'm not going to be looking for buying opportunities here. It looks rather risky for me to look for buying opportunities, because I think it's clear to see that a lot of retail traders might want to buy at this particular area here. One would ask, Mr. President, why did we have a positive market, positive stocks, positive NASDAQ, though we had a negative results on NFP? Reason being maybe the earnings that we had on Amazon and Apple on Thursday evening might have impacted that positive bullish momentum coming in for the dollar. What am I doing today? Well, I think I'm going to be bearish on this. I'll show you on a daily something very interesting that I'm seeing here. You see, from where we are trading right now, we had a low at $1.08, right? This could have been a nice trade buy setup here if you are swinging. As you know, I don't like swinging these things. If I swing this, I take it on a higher time frame. This is definitely going to be a C grade, right? So I didn't see a need of taking this position there. But yeah, it looks good. It looks okay. Today I think I want to be bearish on this market simply because of this. I think maybe we might find this thing dropping back to this low here. This is how I see it. British Pound USD. We found support at $1, or found resistance rather at $1.29. Are we going above it? Well, this gap here again, one would ask, are we going to fill it? Maybe. Maybe we can fill it during the course of the day. So yeah. Is it today when that the markets are opening at 4:30? Is it today? I wouldn't be surprised if AUD/USD finds some resistance here to drop. I would really not be surprised. Alright, if you just join us, please like the stream as well as subscribe. WTI. So in the morning, I was just telling the choppers in the funded group that, look, just be careful between 20,132, 134 and 19,900. Just be careful there, because anything that you can take in between, you can consolidate. So I was saying, for me, a better approach would be obviously break above 20,000, look for buying. Break below 19,000, look to sell. As easy as that. Just want to see this retest here, because it's almost the same setup that we had there, that if we break above, retest, look for buy here. Trading above POC at 42,000. Remember this analysis on Friday. Break retest $2,758 an ounce. Look for selling opportunities. Let me have a clean chart on this. Yeah, I think it's today. Rory's just confirming there that it's today. We are trading. We are having market open at 4:30. Alright, if you just join us, don't forget to subscribe. Choppers, subscribe. Road to 4,000. Can we do it by the end of the year? I believe we can. I believe we can, and I believe we will. All right. Yeah, tomorrow is the US elections. How are we going about the 24-hour stream? So I should be live with Tuso from Wednesday. So the fifth, obviously, the fifth is Tuesday, and we're supposed to be streaming on that one. Quite some few issues with the 24-hour live stream. The first thing would be even the music that we play in the background here doesn't allow us to be streaming their music for 24 hours, and yeah, there's quite some few things, but we are working on it. If we are going to stream for 24 hours, chances are there will be times I come on camera, and sometimes you'll just be seeing. You see what you just saw now? You'll be seeing that maybe for some hours. Then I'll be coming and giving you guys updates. I'm not gonna be streaming the whole 24 hours being on camera. Time to time, we'll be playing some adverts and we'll be showcasing some things that will be happening there. So yeah, it's the first experience, man. It's very difficult to do live streaming when you are alone. But yeah, we are working on Tuso to join me from tomorrow. It's going to be interesting. Let's see how we can go about it. But according to me, I think these elections are already won. That is just according to me. I think the elections are already won, man. But yeah, let's see. Who do you think is going to win, though? What's your prediction on the US elections? Who do you think will win? It's not that good to see you. Being a long time since we've seen you here. Look at that euro dollar go as anticipated. You see, like I said, retail traders, they like buying at this point. They like buying here. They're always trapped. With me, I was waiting for a rejection candle there. $1.09. Then I was gonna take a nice sell there. I hope they don't take down our stream since we're talking about the elections. I hope they don't take down our stream. Very sensitive topic, especially if you are doing live streaming. But yeah, it concerns us because it affects the markets, so we need to know. Right, a break below $71 a barrel on WTI crude, then I'm gonna look for selling opportunities there. But if I find a nice rejection there, I'm definitely looking for buying opportunities there. Some consolidation coming in there for NASDAQ. Nothing much on it. Let's wait for 4:30 and see what happens. A lot of you are saying Trump, not even seeing one Kamala here. Yeah, that man will make history, man. If he wins, he will make history. Very weak, boring session for New York. Very weak and boring. Or for London rather, since we haven't opened with New York as yet. If you just join us, don't forget to subscribe and like. Choppers, please do that favor for me. It's a very boring session, I don't want to lie. It's quiet. It's a quiet session. Markets are not doing anything. So yeah, let's engage. Choppers, please. I'm not saying it's a boring market, not session. We are here as choppers, right? So, but the markets are not doing much. I mean, we had this gap, we moved to the upside, and we are just playing in between $1.09 and $1.08. I mean, it's nothing there. But let's see. Taguzo is asking, will I be entering trades during elections? Yes, I will, depending on the setup that I will see. It will all depend on what I see. She's not that just asking, Mr. President, what does those gaps mean? So this is basically no trading session in between, meaning to say there was no activity, right? Remember, it was a weekend, so it seems like the way we opened, we had a lot of orders on the bullish side. That's why it gapped. So you normally get a gap even during news release. Sometimes maybe before CPI or NFP, you can find this thing gapping, you know, because of a large relative strength that is coming from others to the upside, whether to the downside. But for me, this is just a matter of maybe we had a lot of volume buying on Friday, but those orders could not be filled, and there was no trading activity on Saturday and Sunday, so those orders were only executed at this price, $1.08. So yeah, that's basically the the meaning of that, right? We didn't have much going on. If you look at things like stocks, remember stocks, they close every day. They are not like currency pairs. So these ones, they gap a lot, right? So in between here, that's when they close at 11 p.m. and open the next following day. So, and you will normally get pre-orders. Like here you have a pre-order. This pre-order tells you that the market, when it opens at 4:30, the market might open at $172.48 a share on Google, right? So you don't normally get gaps during the week, but on weekends, when the market closes, you might find that, right? There was a strategy we used to have back then where we say the market must close the gap, like when we gap like this, right? So we have like a 40 pip gap. So we would normally say when the market comes at where the gap opened, or where the gap opened, we normally take a sell, thinking that we're gonna close this. Man, you know, trading for all these years, I think there's no strategy I haven't tried. I tried everything. I have tried every strategy. That's why today I know that you can have a good strategy and still be on the losing side, and you can have a bad strategy but being on the winning side, you know. Jerry's asking, where do you get the COT? Go on Google, just type COT Forex. You're gonna get it there, my friend. Just write COT Forex, you're gonna get it there. Maziva is saying, I've tried that one. I'm sure he's referring to the strategy. Yeah, man. You know, when you are trading, when you are starting to trade, you always try everything. Everything. Guys, please, again, I'm sure you've seen on the group, just be careful of people that come in my name and tell you that I have something to offer you. I can never text you and tell you that I have a investment strategy I want to give you, right? Please just be careful. Those people, they are scamming you guys. It's not me. I can never WhatsApp you or text you or even on Instagram tell you that there's a Bitcoin investment and all those stories. Send me money, I will trade for you, or signals. And I don't sell signals, and I don't do investments. I don't trade on behalf of people. I don't also give people advice about where they should be doing investments, and they need to pay me and whatnot, right? So just please, Chopper, just be careful, you know. Just be careful. People are not sleeping out there, and it's sad, man. It's very sad because, you know, sometimes there's such kind of behaviors. They put a target on our backs because you'll be just minding your business in a mall somewhere, working with your family, and somebody comes and says, yeah, President, you took my money and whatnot. Then so they will take my picture, put my profile picture there, put my name, and act as me. So just be careful of those people. Rather, if somebody is engaging with you and you want to discuss something important, especially maybe you are not sure if it's me, request for a video call, and that's how you're gonna catch them. Request for a video call. All right, Instagram handles, that's what you see down there on the screen there. Telegram group, there's a Telegram group that has more than 8,000 people. That's not me. That's not our group. Our group, public group, is I think 600 something people, and we have the choppers funded. Instagram as well, those are my handles there. Don't fall for these scams, please. You guys work hard for your money, and it's sad to see somebody just take your money just like that. Right, we have British pound closing below our POC 11 at $1.29. I still consider this as consolidation, man. Let's have a look at the heat map. If you just join us, please like the stream as well as subscribe. Euro is strong, dollar is weak. Dollar is very weak. So just want to see something here. AUD/USD, I would say it's neutral. British pound is weak. Swiss franc strong. Japanese yen strong, at least for the first time in a while. Japanese is always the weakest link, man. Always the weakest link. Hong Kong dollar weak. Now listen to what most economists are saying about the weak dollar. I mean the weak job release for US economy, which is those jobs that were added, right? You know, we had hurricanes coming in on the US soil, right? So they say it has interrupted the economy as well. People couldn't go to work. A lot of things could not be done, as well as Boeing. So Boeing also employs a lot of people in the States. So there's a strike there. They are also shifting it to there, but all these things, man, for me, they never make sense. They never make sense. That's why I like being technical. Yeah, Koroshi is saying perhaps the weakness of the dollar is caused by the weak NFP report. This is the delayed reaction as the dollar was strong on Friday. Yeah, man, this whole thing doesn't make sense. Koroshi, that's why I always say to you guys, hey, me, I'm fine with my technical abilities. I feel like this fundamentals will sometimes play around with your head. I'm avoiding that. But it's always good to know what is happening. It's always good to talk about what is happening, to have an outlook of what is happening, at least to try to make sense out of what we see. So yeah, it might be a late reaction on the dollar. But for me, this is how I see it. I feel like it was trending to the downside, then it gapped, right, and did this, and want to consolidate, right, and this is what we find ourselves in. Then you might be trapped until tomorrow. I mean, this is what it's doing here. Gap and try to consolidate. Oh, it's quite frustrating today, eh? Maybe 4:30 will give us something. The boy go by the name of TRS Express. It's a beautiful name, man. You can name, you can have a strategy behind this name. It's a beautiful one. Gold will be buying. Yeah, let's see, man. Let's see. Fanesto Banda said, "Good day, Mr. President. How do you deal with such like having a strategy you see it as potential, but you are still losing? The minute that you see that the strategy has potential, then stop with the strategy. Start with yourself. Then you need to work on yourself. Check bad behaviors around how you control this thing." Do self introspection, my friend, and see if the problem is not with you. So Banda, it might be that, my good sir, that you need to start working now on maybe try to see what are those bad behaviors around a good strategy that has potential. Banda, it's like what you need to do is, since you see that your strategy is potential, treat it like a woman that you see she's a potential wife. The only way you can find out if really she can be a potential wife is for you to do certain things. Obviously, marry her. So your strategy, it has potential. Now you need to work on yourself. So same as when you see a woman and you say this is a potential wife, there's things that you have to do as well. You can't have a potential wife, but you don't want to be a potential husband, right? So with you, your strategy has potential, but you must also be a potential operator. Because if you are a bad operator with something that has a potential, that thing will look as if it's not working, but you find that the operator is one that is messing it up. Conscious, Mr. President, fundamentals will make you a conspiracy theorist. Yeah, man. And with fundamentals, you always argue with yourself. Always argue with yourself. Jerry said we must look at German 30. Right, currently trading at our POC. Jerry's are there. A rejection there can be a good spot for us to look for buying opportunities. But if it plays below this 42,000 mark, then obviously you know what it is. You're gonna look for selling opportunities from that point. Oh, I see. My apologies there, Mjereza. I was looking at US30 instead of German. All right. I'm sure you attended the morning session there, Jerry, that we break above around 19,177. Let's look to buy. If it will make sense at that particular moment. The only disadvantage is that we're going to be playing below our POC. So yeah, that's how it looks like. This euro dollar, it seems like it's done that movement from the downside. The one we had anticipated up there. Seems like it's done. I'm thinking of taking a buy on GU, but the only problem is look at 5 minutes, man. 5 minutes, this is consolidation as well. Yes, it can be well beyond my POC at $1.29, but I'm just worried about this consolidation here. And I can see that British pound is weak. So if I buy again, it wouldn't make sense. But again, the dollar is also weak. So it's weakness against weakness. Hence, you see, can you see British pound is weak? Dollar is weak. Hence, you see this consolidation going on here. But yeah, 4:30 is about to hit. The market opens, and yeah, I'll take it from there. Alright, if you just join us, don't forget to like and subscribe. Choppers, please like the stream as well as like. I think the only thing that can make sense for me now to take it will be WTI, right? I haven't looked at Brent crude for some time now, trading at $74.92 a barrel now. Quite interesting to see where it is. Right, Jerry saying British pound USD retail sentiments are buying, Mr. President. I think for now it's a good idea to buy. It's not a good idea to buy. Yeah, we are getting it. We are getting it, Mjereza. Obviously, we always need to go against the retail sentiments, right? Always. Since I joined Market Madness and Choppers Funded, I see trading in a different way. I'm glad, my friend. So yeah, that's what we do in the Choppers Funded. We just look, man. Like I always say, I cannot promise you that you're going to be profitable, but one thing I can assure you is that you're going to trade differently from how you used to trade. It's just a matter of you finding an edge, you know, finding a way to make things happen. But yeah. Let's work, ladies and gentlemen. Let's work. Let's work. I just want to monitor this WTI quickly. It is up by 2.94%. Can we see it go to the downside? Man, I would want to see it below $71 a barrel, then we can take it to the downside. As for euro dollar, the market is going to open now in the next few minutes. Let's see what will happen there. It seems like we can remove this now because that has already materialized. We had a drop of 20 pips or so, or 21 pips, which is a good amount of pips to trade, right? So we stay well above it. Maybe we can look to see what's happening there. GU still consolidating, nothing much on it. Gold, I like what I see on gold. At least we were able to break above this consolidation here. I like that on gold. We managed to break above $2,745 an ounce. Retest back to it maybe. Take it to the upside there. NASDAQ still consolidated between 20,133 and 19,922. Choppers, just if you are trading any Profirm account, just go on your, especially if you are trading on Trade Locker, right? Trade Locker is one of the apps, trading apps out there, right? check your candlesticks if they match with what you have now. On the same time frame, say now I'm on WTI, right? Crude oil, right? 15 minutes. Check if the candlesticks here on your pro firma account are the same as your trading view. Right, so two things that's going to happen at $71.37. If we reject and find a indecision candlestick to the upside, we're going to reload here to the upside. But if we break below retest, then this is what we're going to look for. Yeah, we'll try by all means to stream tomorrow, guys. We'll try by all means to stream for that 24 hours. Like I said, I don't think we're gonna be on camera for 24 hours, but yeah, we will try to see how we can go about it. Gold coming back to that consolidation. Seems like this AUD wants to have a rebound again at 66 cents on AUD USD. But let's observe it. I don't know, but we closed like this with a nice rejection at this point. for me to also make sense. I'm well above my POC at $70.92 a barrel, and I have a key significant area at this point. Yeah, man, we close like this. I'm taking a buy on WTI. Let me know if you're joining me. Can I put my stops at 74.85? Will that make sense? It won't make sense at all. Right, few minutes to go till the market opens. 3 minutes to go. If you just joined us, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Seems like I'm not gonna get my rejection there. Wanna see if maybe we can reload from 71, 71.42, 71.31 cents. Right, let's see. Usually during this time, this is where we want to see NASDAQ, okay? Market just opened. Let's see that WTI. Nothing is biting on it as yet. Euro dollar. Quiet. These markets continue to be quiet. I like how NASDAQ is moving. At least we're having something that is biting now. Let's see. US30. Nothing much on it. German is dropping. We can see that German is dropping. Yeah, the markets are quiet, man. It's just one of those days, eh? Just want to see something on this German 30 here. Yeah, maybe our rejection come from 19,122. That WTI continues to drop. Whew. So much tempting, eh? This is so much tempting, and I think I'm just gonna go for it. Indecision. You see, these are two candlesticks I'm waiting for. I close with indecision, I'm all in. I close with the rejection, I'm all in. I'm taking this WTI. We close like this, I'm taking it. I've made up my mind. It's in line with everything that I look for. Some businesses are asking if I'm taking. No, I'm taking it to the upside, my good sir. I'm going to the upside. Only downside if I break below, right? So downside if only I break below, retest $71. That's when I can consider downside. But as it is now, upside. What looks good on this market? For me, it's WTI. I don't know, guys. What do you think? What is it that you are looking at to take? I think for me, WTI makes sense at this point because that euro dollar I wanted to take, I feel like it's going to play in one area there, and it can trap me since it's a Monday. It can trap me until tomorrow. British pound USD as well. It's just moving in one place. NASDAQ for me down by 0.45%. It's overextended for me. So I can't be looking for anything at this point for NASDAQ. Maybe I break above 20,000 on NASDAQ. A break above, maybe. Only if I find a break above. Gold, on the other hand, still moving sideways, still within this consolidation here. And on 1 hour, we therefore have a bigger consolidation between $2,758 and $2,731 an ounce. So that's my concern about this. But WTI, to be quite honest with you, it makes sense for me. I was just waiting for a nice rejection candle, man, at $71. I don't want to feel like I missed it, but yeah, maybe something can happen. If I can get a discount maybe at 71.58, a discount at 71.58, I'm gonna go in for a buy because it retested at my key significant area well above my POC at the small scale, which is $71.65, and well above my POC at the larger scale at $70.89. So it's a beautiful setup, man. It shows that if I enter it now, this will definitely be a how training, you know. This will be a how training, and I want to avoid the how training. So yeah, let me get a discount on this candle, maybe 50% of this candle to the downside. Maybe I can come in there. Again, spread on WTI is not really your friend like your euro dollar, right? So yeah, I'm looking at a lot of factors here. Right, I get that 50% discount on the previous candle. I'm all in. Right, it seems like Mr. Bez is joining me there. Seems like Rory is also experiencing some consolidation there on his silver. Yeah, not much going on. Like I said, it's a boring Monday, very boring Monday. Nothing much. 50% on this, and I'm gonna go in for a buy on this because I think, to be quite honest with you, I think that's what makes sense for me on this. I think that because if I look at currency pairs, they don't make sense for me. At least get a rejection at this POC line, 50% discount on the previous candle. Then yeah, I'm all in. Let's get that rejection above our POC line. Man, these markets are just doing what they're doing now. Let me just focus on my WTI and avoid confusing myself. Just want to see something on Brent crude quickly. Right, that rejection is coming in nicely. Time is it? Two minutes to go. I'm executing my buy on WTI. Wish me well. Again, please don't take this as financial advice. Read our disclaimer and understand what we are doing here. I'm not getting that rejection. However, it's just a matter of time to see how we close in the next 1 minute. But I'm definitely going to execute a buy on this one. Railroad track on this candlestick might affect my decision on what I want to do on this thing. I need a rejection above POC line. I need rejection above POC line. The new candlestick will print just now. Now we are well below our POC, which makes it very difficult for this entry here. However, indecision or rejection at my POC line, the way it was gonna be a good point for me to look for that buy order to the upside. If I break below $71 a barrel, definitely going to look for selling opportunities. Euro dollar still playing in one area, nothing there. British pound still playing in the same area, nothing there. Gold in the same area, nothing there. NASDAQ still playing around in that whole consolidation that we see here, nothing. Can only look for buying opportunities above 20,000. Let's see if we can hold $71.35 with the rejection for a reload there to the upside. But we break below retest. That's where I think Mr. Mbezi was asking me if I'm going to the upside or the downside. The upside, obviously, anything that is above POC level. The downside, anything that breaks retest $71.31. I'm all in for a sell. But I'm still bullish on this thing. We're finding that rejection candle seems like it's printing at 71.38 instead of 71.65. So I was running a poll asking you guys if you are executing trades today. Only 50% of you are saying yes, 50% of you are saying no. And I think I agree with both of you. Markets are quiet and there's nothing much on this market. If I don't get a trade, definitely if I get trapped, I'm trapped for the next day. I'll be trapped for the next day. You know, I have this group that has just put my name in some funny Skype group, and they're busy sending some weird stuff here. I need to make sure that I exit on that group. There we go. Seems like we are coming in. We are coming in on British pound. At least we managed to break above that $1.29. 71. At least. Again, it might be that since it's elections tomorrow, maybe everyone is just waiting for the elections to say, I'm not going to trade until the elections. Let me be on the sideline. But this week we expect volatility. Yeah, indeed, my friend. There is volatility coming in. That's why I'm saying maybe today the markets can be as boring as they are because of obviously because of the US elections tomorrow. Right, the dollar continues to be weak. Euro a bit strong. AUD strong. British pound USD weak. Swiss franc strong. So yeah, let's see. I'm still eyeing that WTI. I'm still eyeing that WTI. So I wanna take this trade. Alright, choppers, my 2 hours is up. Let me love you guys, leave you. I'll see you again tomorrow for the US elections. We don't know what time we're gonna start, but yeah, stay in the group so that you get notified about what's gonna be happening. Thank you so much for your time. If you want to take this trade with me, check me out on the private group and let's see how we can go about it. Choppers, thank you so much for your time. Let's chat tomorrow. For those that are in the private group, we'll see you in the morning for the 7 a.m. Cheers.